In the competitive world of semiconductor manufacturing, precision and reliability are everything. When it comes to plasma ashing, Descum, and photoresist removal, only a few trusted names stand out in leading semiconductor fabs worldwide. And one name consistently rises above the rest: Allwin21's AW-105R. Searching for plasma processing equipment? You'll find plenty of options. But in real-world semiconductor fabs, only proven solutions make the cut. Why? Because most equipment on the market is conceptual, lacking the rigorous performance needed for advanced semiconductor processing. Introducing the AW-105R Plasma Asher and Descum system, a powerhouse of reliability, efficiency, and industry-leading precision. Originally derived from the legendary Matrix 105, the AW-105R continues to set the standard for processing gallium arsenide, gallium nitride, indium phosphide, silicon carbide, and more. Trusted by Win Semiconductor, WaveTech Microelectronics, Coherent, Skyworks, Stanford University, UC Berkeley Lab, and many more, the AW-105R is designed for fabs that demand excellence. In semiconductor fabs, yield is everything. Each wafer carries immense value, and process reliability can mean the difference between success and loss. That's why leading fabs deploy multiple AW-105R systems, ensuring precise plasma Descum before every process step for superior manufacturing efficiency. Why choose the AW-105R? Let's take a closer look. 1. Downstream single-wafer process design minimizes RF damage, protecting sensitive compound materials. 2. 3-axis solid robotic wafer transfer reduces wafer breakage, even for ultra-thin 50 mm indium phosphide wafers. 3. Industrial-grade computer and touchscreen interface, seamless operation and data management. 4. Multi-wafer compatibility, process 2-inch to 6.25 wafers without hardware changes. 5. Advanced process control, precise RF power, gas flow, pressure, and temperature tuning. 6. Allwin21 proprietary software, automated calibration, recipe validation, data storage, and security features for total process control. With its proven reliability, precision engineering, and advanced automation, the AW-105R is the ultimate solution for fabs striving for high yield and process consistency. Other unique features include air cooling 300 watts or 600 watts 13.56 MHz MKS RF generator, Allwin21 end of process, EOP functional, GaAs IC 2 function for network function or data transfer, only 27.5-inch width, 44 depth, 62 height, small footprint saving clean room space. 4 gas lines with 3 MFCs for flexible applications, 40 degrees Celsius, 60 degrees Celsius, 80 degrees Celsius, 110 degrees Celsius, 160, up to 250 C for different Asher, Descum applications. Ready to elevate your semiconductor processing? Join the leaders in the industry. Choose Allwin21's AW-105R, where performance meets perfection. Visit www.allwin21.com to learn more.